Hey, I got a question about rocket sounds and how to synthesize that. Something like this. This is the raw sound, no effects and so on, so it might be better with a little bit of reverb on or something. But I'll tell you how I've done this. It's two parts. One part is just, it's this. And that is the Waldorf NW1. And I'm using that as a granular noise source. So a granular wavetable noise source. I think it's really nice. And after that I'm going through a high pass filter, cutting away the really, really low end. So I'll show you. So I'm just cutting the really super low. The other part of the sound is this. And that is a square wave, because I got it explained as it is like a series of small explosions. And if you think about how this would work, if you have a series of small explosions in the whatever it's called in English, dysa in Swedish, where the hot gases come out. You have an explosion, it comes out, and you will have some kind of turbulence around the output, where the gases expand. But since it's so many small explosions, it would be and end up being more like a laminate flow, but with these turbulence things on top of it. And the turbulence things will behave more or less stochastic or random. So what I'm doing, I have just a square wave oscillator, and then I'm running that through my 02, this one. There it is. And I have another oscillator. So I run it, oscillator goes into A, and into D I have another oscillator with a higher frequency. And then I'm listening to what comes out on out, which is also a square wave, but with a lot of jitter on it. So it is a steady frequency, but a lot of jitter. So if I would listen to just that and take the jitter away, and from the oscillator I'm going into a low pass filter to cut away the really high evil end of it's a resonant oscillator, resonant high pass filter, and that didn't quite do the trick. There was a little bit too much low end in there. So after that filter I'm going through non-resonant band pass filter. So the high pass filter, and then the band pass filter, and then adding the granular noise. an attempt to do some kind of rocket sound. Thanks.